Building a .NET MAUI app often starts with the same problems. Too much setup, too much boilerplate, and too much time wasted. MauiKit is a production-ready UI kit designed to help developers build real apps faster with .NET MAUI. It comes with clean layouts, reusable components, and complete app screens that work seamlessly across Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS. Instead of starting from a blank project, you begin with a solid foundation that follows real-world app patterns. But MauiKit is more than just UI templates. It's built to speed up your entire app creation workflow. With MauiKit App Design Studio, you can generate a full .NET MAUI app in minutes, not days. This is the MauiKit App Design Studio, a web-based tool that helps you generate a complete .NET MAUI app. No local setup, no manual configuration, everything starts directly in the browser. You can define your app name, package identifier, and basic project settings before generating the solution. Customize your app theme, colors, and visual style to match your brand or product idea. You can also configure the app icon so your project looks production ready from the start. The generated project follows a clean structure designed for real-world .NET MAUI applications. When you're ready, just generate the solution and download your customized app package. MauiKit doesn't just save UI time, it removes the entire setup phase. What you get is not a demo or a mock-up, but a real Visual Studio solution you can build and extend. After downloading the package, you simply extract the project to your local machine. Let's open this project in Visual Studio and see how it runs on a real device. Open the solution file in Visual Studio, where everything is already structured and ready to use. Build the project and see the succeed as the result. Select your target platform, for example an Android emulator or a physical device. In a few moments, your app launches successfully, using the theme and settings you configured earlier. You now have a fully functional .NET MAUI application that you can customize, extend, and ship. This is your starting point, not a prototype, but a real app foundation. Learn more at MauiKit.net. Available now on CodeCanyon.